Here we have, drum roll please, Toolbox. Yes, we have Toolbox. I repeat, Toolbox. This is Toolbox. He's a character of mine. And, you know, he has a lot of powers, and what hides inside of him is a demon. You wanna know who is living inside of Toolbox? Well, I say it's the Grim Reaper. He's my character, so I can do whatever I want with him. So, this is Toolbox. Say hi, Toolbox. Hello. My name is Toolbox. Hi. A great day, huh? Toolbox, this is a interview. Interview? Yes, interview. Oh. I don't like interviews. Deal with it. Okay. Well, my name is Toolbox, and I have a lot of powers in me. So, yeah. And I have the Weeple. I have kids as well, but there's a girl. I love her. Love her with all of my heart. Okay, Toolbox. Thank you. See you on the next interview. You too, buddy. Thank you. Thanks, Gaben. Bye. Sorry. Thank you, and see you next time.